So this is what the 100 envelope savings challenge binder look like. It's pretty. The covers are like, you know, bling blingy, a lot of glitters on the cover, flexible cover plastic. This is the inside. It comes with a pen as well. I like to put my pens in the groove here, you know, a good storage spot. And these are what the pages look like. Now it comes with a sheet with numbers. So the intention is to, like, you know, peel off each number and put it on each pocket. And whatever number is on the pocket, you're going to put that equivalent in cash in each pocket. It's just quite simple, you know, and the objective is to try and complete this binder, the total binder, within, let's say, it's up to you what you could afford and what your budget is like, but it's 100 envelopes challenge, so maybe 100 days, or maybe you could do it over a certain period of time that is comfortable for you. So let me just do a quick example quickly. I have some cash here. So this is a $1 slot, so I'm just going to put a $1 inside here. This other one is $2. I'm going to put $2 in here. So that's basically the concept. And you continue this until all these slots are finished. And I like how each pocket is bling blingy as well, you know, really cool little hearts and stuff, designs on the pockets itself, really nice. And I like how it's just basically just pick up this alone. Everything is compact in this binder, and you could go ahead and do your savings challenge.